Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the last one among the embassy representatives to give a presentation today. And I know that it's run out of time, so I try to give very short speech and we enjoy a video clip that tell more than I want to say. First of all, I would like to thank the International Ecotourism Society for inviting us to the Ecotourism and Sustainable Tourism Conference. We are very pleased to join this conference and would like to thank to give us opportunity to have a chance to look at the development of our ecotourism as well, look ahead with new opportunity and so to seek for implementing the new initiative in the new circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic for all of us and every country to promote our tourism in general and ecotourism in particular. For Vietnam, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce a very brief about tourism as well as ecotourism of Vietnam. Then I'd like to invite you to watch a video. Due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, Vietnam received only over 2 million foreign tourists in 2020 and only over 88,000 international visitors in the first half of 2021. Although that Vietnam has become more and more popular in the world tourist map with increasing number of attractive destinations and international tourists in recent years. Before pandemic, between 2015 and 19 period, the number of foreign tourist arrivals to Vietnam rose by 2.3 times, from 7.9 million to around 18.5 million, in average of annual growth about 22% in 2029. Vietnam ranked 63rd among 140 countries and territories in the World Economic Forum Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Index in 2019. From the destination of poor experience, Vietnam strongly impressive international tourism with unique tourist products and series of luxurious and classy entertainment places and resorts across the country. Vietnam is the home of 54 ethnic groups and 30 national parks and 8 World Heritage Sites recognized by UNESCO. And Vietnam also suggests various measures to attract foreign tourists, especially we hope that after pandemic. About ecotourism in Vietnam, I'd like to say that green tourism is a solution for sustainable tourism development in Vietnam with a set of 7 criteria, including tourism growth, tourism resources, destination management, tourism products and services, infrastructure, jobs, and communities role. Ecotourism has been encouraged in Vietnam in order to create jobs and raise local income and improve quality of local scenery and environment. We know clearly that environment, green growth, and tourism company with each other, and Vietnam has been making every effort to build information data, to do market analysis, to create brand and identities, and in order to develop green products, to change community awareness so that they can go along with the government to achieve green destination management. Sustainable tourism and green tourism is a target of and also a solution for Vietnam tourism. And up to now, Vietnam has developed various types of green tourism, such as national parks, natural reserve, forest, mountain, cave, river, lake, stream, waterfall, hot stream, garden house, bird sanctuary, etc. And among these, I'd like to focus on one very important kind of green tourism is the cave. I'd like to spend 1 minute about a very famous cave in Vietnam. It's the Sơn Dom Cave. As you may know, that now is the world's largest cave located in Quang Tuyen Center, Vietnam. As you know, before Tran Quang, near cave in Malaysia is the largest cave in the world, with 90 meters high, 100 meters wide, and 2 kilometers long. But now, Tran Quang Cave is the cave more than 200 meters wide and 150 meters high, and approximately 9 kilometers long. So this cave was classified as the largest cave in the world by British Cave Research Association, and selected as one of the most beautiful in the globe by BBC News. And the tourist activity to explore cave started in 2013. If you would like to register for the tour like this, you should at least register 6 months in advance. As far as I know now, if you would like to make a tour now, that's only available for the tour since June 2022. This tour will available between February and August, because after August, heavy rain will cause the river levels rise, making the cave largely inaccessible. So I'd like to end by my speech here, and I'd like to watch the short video clips introduced about Vietnam tourism and ecotourism in particularly. Please, thank you.
Welcome to Vietnam, a country of timeless charm and beauty. Mysterious and complex, Ha Long Bay is one of Vietnam's most famous World Heritage Sites. You sail gently through a unique environment of outstanding beauty, amongst thousands of rock islands of many shapes and sizes. Ha Long Bay, in beautiful Quang Ninh province, has been voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and it is one of the most beautiful bays on earth. Vietnam is rich in natural beauty. White sandy beaches and clear blue waters abound. Nha Trang Bay is recognized as one of the most beautiful. And the resort city of Da Nang has one of the world's top 6 most attractive beaches. Island paradises include Phu Quoc, Lý Shang Island, with thousands of miles of coastline. Vietnam has beautiful beaches with recreational opportunities for everyone. You can swim in crystal waters and enjoy water sports, including surfing, canoeing, snorkeling and diving. Vietnam's wonderful and diverse nature shines in visits to this fascinating country. You will not find a more charming welcome anywhere. Phong Nha in Gia Bang National Park is considered an underground kingdom within itself. The vast Shan Dong Cave is the largest cave to visit in the world, and probably the most beautiful. In addition to the wonders of nature, we have incredibly diverse cultures, from the ancient Champa civilization of Mi Shang to the rich cultures of Wei and Hoi An, as well as colourful traditional and contemporary festivals. All these offer unique experiences to the visitor and form just part of Vietnam's timeless charm. So rich is the culture that there are already 8 World Heritage Sites for visitors to explore, as well as living cultural heritage and rich tradition of writers and literature. Vietnam is truly a cradle of art and heritage in Southeast Asia. As many as 54 different ethnic groups live in this peaceful land. All of these cultures combine to give the Vietnamese people their beauty and timeless charm. Everyone must taste Vietnamese food in all its regional variations. Its delicacies are always a highlight, enticing visitors to return again and again, and making Vietnam a #1 choice in Asia. From gourmet to street food, there is a wide variety of flavours, aromas and tastes. All are incredibly subtle and sophisticated, and hugely appealing, making Vietnam everyone's culinary paradise. For the holidaymaker in this charming land, there is accommodation everywhere, from luxury resorts to experiencing life with a Vietnamese family in traditional homestays. Vietnam can provide world-class quality, but always with that special touch that is uniquely Vietnamese. Vietnam is known as a country of kindness, friendliness and hospitality. Coming to Vietnam, no matter where you are from, you will always be welcomed with warmth and charm. Vietnam promises visitors great memories. Emotional experiences will be found in Vietnam's culture, its natural wonders, its rich culinary culture, in its vibrant and modern cities, and especially in its welcoming people. In this young and vibrant country, you will find a timeless charm. Vietnam, timeless charm.